Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay Gales. I am currently a second grade elementary teacher, and today I selected a phonics e-tool to speak about. Now, as an elementary teacher, I really focus on phonics, especially pre-K through second grade. So we're really focusing on helping students be able to read and understand sounds, phonemes, if you will. So, that being said, this program that I'm going to speak about is different than the project that I will be doing throughout this course. For that, I want to talk about math, but I have a specific program for that, and I wanted to kind of shine a light on a different e-tool today. So, Lexia Core 5 is a literacy acceleration program specifically for pre-K through fifth grade students. It is a blended learning program. So it helps with literacy skills, of course, and making that shift from learning to read to reading to learn. Second grade is that sweet spot where we really have to make sure they know how to read as they go to third grade, which is where they start to read to learn. So my job is really to focus on phonics, 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 making sure they really understand digraphs, trigraphs, blends, three-sound blends, all that fun jazz. So this is a brilliant program that really is targeted instruction that differentiates literacy for all learners. So it's glorious for teachers to utilize because I specifically use this in rotations. So as a lower elementary teacher, I do guided reading groups. And as I'm meeting with a reading group, my other students who I'm not meeting with at the time are in a rotation. Now, I have very young students, so I have to make sure the rotations are really, truly independent. Lexia is a very independent tool for students to use, but at the same time, it is so customized and catered to them. The brilliant things about it is, number one, it's a safe place for them to try and fail and try again. And especially my classroom, we really talk about the importance of having a safe space to make sure that we know it's okay to make those mistakes. And I highlight the mistakes that I make just so they know it's totally normal. Also, this is very game based, so it's very engaging. It is it's it has corresponding levels, and it really aligns with their own pace and their own ability. So it's a game that really molds and shapes to them, which is beautiful for a learning tool. Um, so I cannot rave more about Lexia Core 5. If you are a lower elementary teacher, you have not heard about this program, please research it, look into it. The kids love it. It really takes phonics, which can be, the lessons can be dry at times and the students might get frustrated with it, but it puts it into a game-based learning space, learning environment, activity, where students really love playing this game and they get excited. They feel triumphant when they move on to another activity or level. So it's just a fulfilling way for students to keep practicing those phonics tools. And it's going to help guide them when they may answer something incorrectly, and it's going to retest them. So as I said before, it really shapes and molds to them. There is also growth mindset in between, like I had said. So they really focus on making sure students know it's okay and they're there. The program is there to help them. So please consider looking into this tool. Definitely an e-tool that I would put in my portfolio, and I suggest for really any lower elementary teacher. Phonics is not exactly a priority in upper, high school, but I will say there are fourth grade students that really could benefit from Lexia, and fifth grade students that could benefit from Lexia that may have some gaps, specifically from COVID, unfortunately. And this program is great to bridge those gaps and to help them really accelerate their reading level, which is going to be one of the most fundamental subjects for them to use in their life. So, anyways, have a wonderful day. I hope you learned a little bit about my e-tool. Thank you.